Hi, Year 11. I hope you are all working well towards your final deadline for the extended essay. So I just wanted to remind you of a couple of things for your submission tomorrow. Just a reminder that when you do submit, guys, you need to go to your calendar. And when you get to your calendar, you should be able to see that you've got a few things due here. You need to click on this deadline submission point here, which says extended essay full assessed draft due. Once you click on that, okay, make sure that you read the checklist. It's very important that you do this, particularly, guys, because you are getting assessed on this and you are getting a predicted grade. You want to make sure that you can give yourself the best chance possible. And missing just one of these little elements could possibly alter your mark, all right? So just reminding everybody that you need to make sure that you have submitted your extended essay in Word or in PDF format. Notes are not allowed, so OneNote, Google Docs are not permitted. It must be Word or PDF. Your full essay, and it should be all the way from the introduction to the conclusion, should not be less than 3,500 words. At this point in time, a finished essay should probably not be less than 3,500 words. Some of you will be closer to 4,000 or right on the 4,000 mark, and that's absolutely fine. Just a reminder that as well as your essay, the entire document should have these things. So you need to have a title page. The title page should have the title of the essay. So you need to have given your essay a title. It should also include your research question. Make sure that your research question and the research question that you have on Managebac on your profile match, okay? Because that's where your supervisor is going to be checking as well. So make sure that if you've updated it in your extended essay document, that you've also changed it and updated it on Managebac as well. You also need to include, guys, the subject in which the essay is registered. And if you're doing a language essay, you need to make sure that you put in which category as well, all right? You also need to have the total word count, and the title page and essay shouldn't have your name or your supervisor's name or the school's name or the candidate number on there, okay? So just so that you know what your title page should look like, it's very simple, okay? You have a title, you have your research question here, and then at the bottom you just have your subject. If there's a category, you can put in the category, and then your final word count. So that's what needs to appear on your title page. Underneath that, guys, following your title page, you should then have a table of contents, and it must come before the essay. So title page followed by a table of contents. Please make sure that the page numbers that you've put in your table of contents match the sections in your essay that you refer to, especially if you've made any changes in the last couple of days as well, okay? So table of contents after your title page. Just a reminder as well that the entire document should be in Arial or Times New Roman font. I know some of you said that you weren't sure if Times New Roman was allowed. It's absolutely allowed. So Times New Roman or Arial, it should be size 12 for the entire essay, including your title page. And the essay itself should be in double spacing, okay? So try and be as consistent as possible with that. This is really easy for you to get good marks in your presentation. Obviously, you know that you need to have headers, subheaders if you need them. You need to have captions on any drawings or figures. And you need to make sure that you're only submitting one copy to the calendar deadline. Please don't upload 2 or 3 different copies. It should just be one file, okay? So guys, basically when we open your extended essay, this is how it should look. You can see that there's no student name on there. There's nothing to do with the school. This is practice for when you actually do submit your extended essay. And you can see that everything is very consistent. So we have Times New Roman, size 12, double spacing, okay? And when you get to your bibliography as well, can everyone make sure, as you can see, this beautiful reference list doesn't have hyperlinks and things like that. Make sure that you remove the hyperlinks and that everything is in alphabetical order. Your reference list must be in alphabetical order, okay? So make sure that you just check those last few things. Guys, just a reminder that the essay is due at 11:55 p.m. tomorrow, which is Sunday. If you have any questions about anything, you needed to have emailed me already, okay? Everyone, there should be no reason why anyone cannot submit tomorrow. If you have any issues, you need to just let me know, and I'll have to discuss that with you formally. The other last thing is year 11. Don't forget as well that we won't be doing our interim interviews until we come back to school, which will be in term 1, okay? And you'll do your interim interview and second reflection after you've received your predicted grade from your supervisor. So I hope that makes sense, and I hope that answers some of the last minute questions that you might have had, or just given you a little bit of a reminder. Guys, you've totally got this. You're going to do a great job, and I look forward to chatting with you tomorrow morning and on Tuesday morning as well. And I look forward to seeing all of your essays submitted tomorrow evening. Have a great afternoon, guys, and best of luck.